Hey guys, today I'll show how to install AntBrowser on Mac. To install AntBrowser, launch any browser and then in the browser address bar enter AntBrowser Pro and follow the link. So that's how we go to the site of AntBrowser, and in this window we need to click on the register button here. Further, to register, you need to enter your data, enter your name, email, and password. You can also register through Google, Yandex, and Mail.ru contact accounts. Do not forget to check the box "I'm not a robot" and click the register button. If everything is done correctly, you have successfully registered to the system. And the next step, you need to log in into your account using the data that you specified during registration. So that's our email. Here we are. The next step is to download the browser itself, and for this step we're going to personal area. Here the download button. You need to select the operating system and the language, Russian or English. I choose English. So the next step, you go into your downloads and copy AntBrowser to applications. Go into applications. Here we are. While holding down the Control key, click on the AntBrowser program icon and then select Open in the context menu. After starting the browser, log into your account using your email and password. So that's it. The browser is ready to use. The next step is to activation of the browser.